I have Honor 8X, and let me show you how to block calls and messages on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the phone icon. Let's here use the more key right here, choose blocked. As you can see here, you can see message block rules. You can, for example, block all strangers. You can also here choose call block rules, and here you can block all incoming calls, block all strangers, or you can block unknown and hidden numbers. Just use one of the following switchers to enable one of the following options. Let's go back. You can also use the settings, and here you can, for example, use numbers blacklist, and here you can add a number to a blacklist to block all calls and messages from this number. You can add manually, you can match prefix, you can add from contacts, call logs, or from messages. That's it. Let's go back. You can also block some keywords, so you can create here a keyword blacklist, or you can here use a number whitelist to add some numbers to this whitelist. Alright, so that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.